Hello, my name is Floor. I'm a technician at Yamaha Motor Europe. The sun is coming out, spring is almost here. If your bike has been standing still all winter, don't just jump on it and ride. A few simple checks now can save you problems later. Here are the main things that we would check before that all-important first spring ride. So first up, check your brake fluid. If it's light and clear, that's good. If it's dark and brown, like this one, it's time to replace it. The brake fluid should be replaced every 2 years. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time and that affects braking performance. If we have a look at this coolant reservoir from the MT-07, we can see it's a bit low. So it's time to add a little bit to get it to the recommended level. Let's talk about tires. Your tires are the only thing that should touch the road, so they matter. Check your tire pressure when they are cold, not when they are warm. Look for cracks, uneven wear or flat spots on your tire. The reason why you should check your tires when they are cold is because when your tires get warm, the air expands and your tire pressure will go up. If your bike is on a paddock stand, it's really easy to check for wear, damage, cracks or flat spots. If your bike has been standing all winter on the ground, there is a chance that you have a flat spot on the tire. If your bike hasn't been on a paddock stand, roll the bike forward, feel for flat spots. If the tread is low or you're unsure about something, bring it to the dealer, that's what we're here for. Next in our spring start guide, check your front fork legs. Grab the front brake, push the front fork a few times. If you see oil on your front fork legs, your front fork seals might need to be replaced. Check your brake hoses for cracks or damage and check that your brake hoses has the correct routing and clamping. Make sure your brake pads are not worn out and you have enough thickness on the brake pad. Next in our spring start guide, let's check the chain and the sprocket. Dry or dirty chain wears out quickly, doesn't feel smooth and it doesn't look good. Clean your chain with a dedicated product like Yamaha Lube chain cleaner. Dry your chain and then lube it with Yamaha Lube chain lube.
Next thing, check your chain slack. If it's too tight or too loose, it can cause problems. The best way to do it is to take a tape measure and measure your slack. You'll find the correct amount of slack for your bike in the service manual. Check the teeth of your sprocket. This is a new sprocket, so it has a flat surface on the top. If it's pointy, it's worn out.
If your bike struggles to start after the winter, the battery may just need charging.
The Yamaha charger can bring the battery back to full health safely and can help maintain it during long periods of inactivity. If the battery won't hold charge after plugging it in, it might be time to replace the battery.
It is vital to check your lights, switches and riding gear before the first spring ride. Turn the ignition on and check all your lights. Blinkers, headlights, brake lights and the horn. Make sure your headlight is aimed correctly and to not dazzle oncoming traffic. Also, check your gear, helmet condition, gloves, boots. If something needs adjusting on your bike or kit needs updating, stop by the showroom, that's what we're here for. Warning lights, don't ignore them. They should go off after the bike starts. If something stays on, refer to your manual. If you're unsure about it, you can contact the dealer and we'll tell you if it's safe to ride. We will diagnose the problem and get it sorted. Connectivity, get it set up properly. If your Yamaha has phone connectivity and you're having issues pairing it, don't worry. First, check your user guide. It will tell you everything you need to know. And if you're then still having issues, bring it in. We can check the pairing technology on your bike and set it up for you, so everything will work correctly. If you have any questions, drop them below.